Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to manage your permissions on Instagram. Nowadays it's very important to manage your own permissions because the social media changed a lot. So let's start with this tutorial, and after this tutorial hopefully you know where you can find the permissions. Alright, if you go to the three stripes in the top, then we have to go scroll down. And if you can see, device permissions. So from here you can see that you are allowed to use the camera. You can do that on allowed or do anything that you want, but from here you can manage everything that you will give permission for on Instagram. Alright, if you think that this tutorial was helpful, please smash a like, and hopefully I will see you in more tutorial videos. Ciao!